Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the dollar yen, I definitely think it looks like five waves up, and I still don't see any evidence that this five waves is over. I still think it's likely to either go up and retest the 78 or possibly go all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension, which is around the 165 area. To finish off, it is likely a wave 5 of wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it looks like a subdivision, like almost like an extended wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave 5. Either retest the 78 or make its way up to the 100% to finish off this wave 5 of 5 before we get that very significant move to the downside. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this is a wave 3. I personally think the wave 4 may already be over, but I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it did end up doing something like that to make a more proper ABC of 4 before it actually went up and made the wave 5 of wave 5. It does seem like this move down is a trend impulsive. This move up does kind of almost seem like it could be a wave B, and it does kind of seem like it should go down for a wave C before it actually goes up for the wave 5. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely have it labeled as a complete ABC correction right here, but it actually could be an A right here, it could be a B, and this could be a C of B. And if that's the case, then it could very likely turn down to finish off the bigger wave C of wave 4, just like I was showing on the daily time frame. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it kind of, like I said, it looks like this could be the end of a wave C, but looking at all the other yen pairs, I'm not really convinced that that is the case. I kind of feel like this looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up, and it looks like it's trying to turn down. If it makes a very significant lower high, or preferably if it goes down and breaks structure and holds below structure, that's pretty much going to prove to me that this is the end of an ABC correction and that this is actually back into the downtrend, which in that case would probably still be a wave C of wave 4, just like what I was drawing and showing on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.